Now we'll move on to the bag straps. For this part, I'm only using a single strand and a 3mm hook. First, make a slip knot. Then chain 125 stitches, which is about 23 inches long or 60 centimeters. You can keep chaining until you reach your desired length. I've finished my 125 chains. Skip the first chain from the hook. Insert your hook into the second chain and make 3 single crochets into the same stitch. Place a marker in the first single crochet of this cluster. Next, work 1 single crochet in each chain across until you reach the second to last chain. That's 122 single crochets. I've completed my 122 single crochets. Now make 3 single crochets into the last chain. Place a marker in the first stitch of this cluster. Then continue working 122 single crochets along the opposite side of the foundation chain until you reach the marked stitch. To start the next round, remove the stitch marker. Work 2 single crochets into the marked stitch. Then make 2 more increases. It means 2 single crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. After that, continue with 122 single crochets just like the previous round. When you reach the marked section again, make 3 increases. It means 2 single crochets in each stitch for 3 stitches. Then continue with the remaining 122 single crochets to the end of the round. I finished the last single crochet of round 2. Now we'll stop here. Slip stitch into the first stitch, then chain 1. Cut the yarn, leaving about a 10-inch tail, and pull it through. Finally, use a yarn needle to weave in the ends neatly. This is the right side of the strap, and this is the wrong side. Fold it like this, leaving about 10 single crochets from the end. Now insert your hook under one inner loop on this side and one inner loop on the other side. Place the yarn onto your hook and pull through. Make sure to leave a long tail of about 12 inches or 30 centimeters so we can attach the strap to the bag later. Continue inserting your hook through both sides of the stitches. Pull the yarn through and make a slip stitch. Gently pull the yarn tail to tighten. Repeat this process until you reach near the end of the strap. On the other end of the strap, also leave 10 single crochets. Now chain 1 to finish. Cut the yarn, leaving a tail similar in length to the other side. Then pull it through. Gently straighten the strap. Repeat the same steps for the second strap. Now we'll move on to attaching the straps to the bag. First, lay your bag flat and make sure both sides are even and aligned. On the top round of my bag, the corner falls right in the middle of a double crochet cluster. So I move slightly inward and choose the center of the next cluster to place my strap. Secure the strap in place with stitch markers or pins. Repeat the same for the remaining positions. Now, using a yarn needle, we'll sew the straps onto the bag. First, secure the strap at the top edge of the bag. Then sew all the way around the outer edge of the strap, following the outer stitches like this. After that, add another line of stitching down the center for extra strength. Once you're done, tie a knot to secure it. And finally, weave in the loose ends neatly. Repeat the same steps for the remaining straps. And that's it! Your crochet bag is now complete. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you won't miss more cute crochet projects from Hannah. Feel free to customize the size or colors to make it your own. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!